Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the main general list we have to scroll in order to find the display. Let's tap on it. Then let's find the night light option, which is right here in this eye protection. Of course, we can turn it on without any kind of customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, we can customize it, just tap on this option, and here we've got the switcher, which will allow us to change the intensity. By going to the left we can make it cooler, almost invisible, and by going to the right, much warmer, it's almost orangish. Of course, set it just like you want to on the level which is the most comfortable for you. We can also schedule that feature. The none option is manual option. We can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly, or set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's up to you. I prefer the none option, so the manual option. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and in order to have much faster access to this option, we have to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and we have to try to localize the night light option. So let's try to find it. It is right here. So all we have to do is to tap on it to apply it. As you can see, the screen will change immediately, and of course we can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.